Question number 156. Mark the odd one among the following invertebrates. Invertebrates are those which lack vertebral column. Even chordates that lack vertebral column are also included in invertebrates. Now the options given are Doliolum, Amphioxus, Beta and Secoglossus. And we know that the correct answer to this question is option number 3, Beta, that belongs to the superclass Pisces. Is a vertebrate. Option number 1 and option number 2, Doliolum and Amphioxus, are incorrect option because these protochordates are invertebrates. They lack vertebral column. These are chordates but lack vertebral column. And the last option, Secoglossus, is also an incorrect option. Secoglossus belong to the phylum Hemichordata and they lack vertebral column, so it's an invertebrate. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 157. Read the following features of certain organisms, and the features are metameric segmentation, presence of hemocoel, exhibits metamorphosis, and presence of tracheal system. Which of the following organisms exhibit above mentioned characteristics? And we know that all characteristics given in this question, that is metameric segmentation, presence of hemocoel, metamorphosis, and presence of tracheal system, are shown by members of class Insecta, and they belong to the phylum Arthropoda. So you need to find out an arthropod among the given options. The very first option given is Chaetopleura, and this is an incorrect option because Chaetopleura is a mollusk commonly known as chitin. And Chaetopleura is a non-segmented organism. The next option is Ancylostoma, and this is an incorrect option. Ancylostoma belongs to the phylum Aschelminthes and is commonly known as hookworm. And these organisms are also unsegmented. The next option given is Cucumeria, and this is an incorrect option because Cucumeria, which belongs to the phylum Echinodermata, they lack tracheal system. Whereas the last option, Anopheles, is a correct answer to our question because Anopheles is a mosquito which belongs to the class Insecta and phylum Arthropoda and exhibit metameric segmentation, presence of hemocoel, exhibits metamorphosis and presence of tracheal system. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 158. Select the correct option where the set of animals which belong to the same taxon. And in the very first option, the animals given are silverfish, dogfish and cuttlefish. And this is an incorrect option because silverfish, which is a common name for Lepisma, belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. And dogfish, which is a common name for Scoliodon, belongs to the superclass Pisces. And cuttlefish, which is a common name for Sepia, is a mollusk. So the set of animals in option 1 do not belong to the same taxon. The next option given is hookworm, roundworm and tongueworm. And this cannot be a correct answer to our question because hookworm and roundworm belong to the phylum Aschelminthes. Roundworm also belong to the phylum Aschelminthes. But tongueworm is a common name for Balanoglossus or Secoglossus and it belongs to the phylum Hemichordata. Let's write the phylum for the first option. Phylum is Arthropoda. Superclass Pisces and phylum Mollusca. Let's discuss the next option. The next option given is dolphin, whale and flying fox. And as all these animals belong to the same taxon, so this is a correct answer to our question. Because dolphin, whale and flying fox belong to the class Mammalia. All these are mammals. The last option given is sea pan, sea lily and sea urchin. And this cannot be a correct answer to our question because sea pen, which is a common name for Pinnatilla, belongs to the phylum Coelenterata. Whereas sea lily and sea urchin, they belong to the phylum Echinodermata. So, the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 159. Read the following statements and select the correct option. Statement 1 is, in poriferans, water enters spongiocele via multiple oscula. And this is an incorrect statement because in poriferans or sponges, water enters spongiocele via numerous ostia, also known as dermal pores, and not through osculum, which is the opening through which water leaves the body of poriferans. The next statement given is, in spongilla, digestion is both extracellular as well as intracellular. And this is also an incorrect statement because in spongilla, which is a freshwater sponge, digestion is intracellular only. Now let's discuss the options. The very first option is both statements are correct and this is an incorrect option. Statement 1 is correct. This is an incorrect option. Statement 2 is correct. This cannot be a correct answer to our question. And both statements are incorrect. And as both statements are incorrect, so this is a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 160. Economically harmful insect is, and the options are Locusta, Bombyx, Apis and Lecifer. And we know that the correct answer to this question is option number 1, Locusta. Locusta is an economically harmful insect. All these organisms belong to the phylum Arthropoda. But Bombyx, Apis and Lecifer are the incorrect options because these are economically important insects. Bombyx is commonly known as silkworm, and it produces silk, which is economically beneficial. Apis, which is commonly known as honeybee, produces honey and bee wax, which are economically important products. And the last option, Lecifer, is also an important insect because it is commonly known as lac insect and it produces lac, which is also economically important. So the correct answer is option number 1, Locusta, because Locusta is a gregarious pest and it is harmful for crop and vegetation. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question.